Hi, my name's Harry. I'll be your student physiotherapist today. I'm just going to be using my stethoscope here to listen to how you breathe. I'm just going to place it around the front and back of your body, and I'm going to instruct you to take a breath in and out, and I'll just have a listen. Is that okay with you? Do you consent to that? Cool. And breathe in and out. Breathe in. Out. Out. Breathe in. Out. Just gonna, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna spin my patient.